Hello friends. So today I'll be discussing about the concept of the structure of a page table. So a page table is used for mapping pages which are logical to frames which are physical memory. So I am considering an example where the size of each page is 4 bytes and 1 byte is a memory unit, let's say, and we are having 4 pages for our process P1, and this is our page table which does the mapping. Okay, so it maps the 0, 1, 2, 3, where this is the 0th page, this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. Okay, now we have these 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, this is nothing. So these are the 10 frames. This is the frame number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, from 0 to 9 there are 10 frames, and within each frame, let's say again we have the page size and the frame size are same, so we have something like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, I hope it is visible, and 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. Okay, sorry for writing that small, I hope it is visible. I'll bring it a bit closer to the camera. These are just the numbers. Okay, now let's say we have our mapping from frames to pages, and 0th page is mapped to, let's say, 5th frame, and first page is mapped to, let's say, 2nd, and second page is, let's say, mapped to 7th, and this is mapped to the 8th. Okay, some kind of mapping. Now when the process wants to access a logical memory address, it can be something like this. So it wants to access some logical memory address. So it will be having two parts. First is the page number, that is the logical page number, and second will be the offset. Okay, so let's say we want to access the logical memory address 9 here. Okay, then this logical memory address 9 is having the page number as 2, that is 2 here, and the offset in that particular page is 2. So basically what happens is, you can say something like this. Basically the page size is 4, or if you consider this is 0 offset, this is 1 offset, this is 2 offset, and this is 3 offset, then in that case, because we are considering 0 indexing, in that case the offset is 1. So the formula for it becomes, so this is the logic page number and this is the offset. So hence the logical memory address for this particular memory address becomes 2 multiplied by the page size 4 plus 1. So the formula is logical which is equal to 9. Logical page number multiplied by the page size, that is the number of bytes, plus offset. Okay, so hence we find the logical page number and the offset, and this will be mapped to, because the second page is mapped to as we can see from the page table, second page is mapped to the 7th frame in physical memory. So its corresponding in the physical memory will be 7. This is mapped to 7th, and the offset will be same, because in that particular page this is the offset and this will be in the same frame, that much offset. So this is the physical frame number and this is the offset. Okay, now we have both of them, so we will apply the same formula. The physical frame number multiplied by frame size plus offset, that becomes 7 into 4 plus 1, which is equal to 28 plus 1 is equal to 29. Cool. So we can find it somewhere here. Okay, I'll mark it somewhere here. Got it? This one. So this particular logical address is mapped to this particular physical address. In this way we can find the mapping of any logical address to any physical address using this page table. Hope you like the concept of the structure of a page table. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, friends.